Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to show desktop icons on Windows 11. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, if you've got a problem like me and desktop icons aren't showing, to fix this problem, the first method is to right click anywhere on your desktop and then click onto view and then click onto show desktop icons. That should fix your problem. However, if that didn't fix your problem, there's another way to do this. So right click anywhere on your desktop, and then you want to click onto personalize. And then when you're inside the personalization settings of Windows, look for themes. So click into themes and then scroll down and then click on desktop icon settings. This will open up another box like so, desktop icon settings. And what you can do here is to click on computer, user files, control panel and network, or any files you want to appear. And then once you have done that, click on apply and then OK, and then go back to your desktop. And as you can see, control panel, this PC, network, recycle bin are now showing on my desktop. However, if certain window icons are still not appearing on your desktop, there's another way to fix this. So what you want to do is click on the Windows icon down below like so, and then you want to click onto all apps. And now here is all the apps that are on this particular PC, but obviously your PC will be different to mine. And for demonstration purposes, if I want to show, say, Excel on my desktop, I'll just click and hold my left mouse button and then drag it to my desktop. And now Excel is now shown on my desktop like so. So you can do that to any app inside of there. So I'll go there, click on this Windows key and then all apps, and then just find, or you can manually search for your app settings or documents to put on your Windows desktop. So yeah, that's it for this guide. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.